everyone, this is Anti. Welcome to episode number 8 of Life and Wealth Mastery. Today, I want to talk about a different perspective of self-awareness. And the general idea of self-awareness is where one has the level of introspection of being able to reflect on their own situation. What is this thing that we call self-awareness anyway? It's the ability to see ourselves clearly, to understand who we are, how others see us, and how we fit into the world. Self-awareness gives us power. We might not always like what we see, but it's a comfort of knowing ourselves. Studies show that people who are more self-aware are actually more fulfilled. They have a stronger relationships. They are more creative, more confident, and better communicators. Self-awareness to me is just being mindful of your thoughts, your emotions, recognize your triggers, and learn how to ask better questions to our circumstances to give us a better meaning of life. For an example, if you run across a terrible situation, instead of playing the victim and ask God or ask why is this happening to me? Ask yourself instead, what situations make me feel terrible? And what do they have in common? What we can do differently? Asking the why questions trap us in the rear view mirror. What questions move us forward to the future and focus on the present, and what are the actions that we can solve on the issue at hand? So isn't it more productive that way? And if you want to live a life of fulfillment, I believe that if you become more aware of who you are. I give you an example. Have it ever been a time where you caught yourself getting envy and compare yourself to your colleagues or to your friends because they get more of stuff than you have? They have a better spouse that care for them or spoil them rotten, or they have a better job, or they have a better skin. Whatever it is that going through your head, be able to aware that, hey, it's not who you are. It's your ego. It's your evil thoughts that are getting envy. Remember, envy is just a way of you wanting something so badly by being able to project on other people to envy them and not happy for them, right? So I think by being able to aware of it, forgive yourself to feel that way. It's okay. We're only humans. But if we recognize that and cut ourselves in that, step out of it and snap out of it and say, you know what? If I truly care for this person or even anybody, instead of repelling their success story or their happy story, we are actually repelling away from those happiness in life. So what I'm trying to tell you is, by being able to truly happy for the situation or whatever happens to your friends or that colleagues, you will attract those positive from them as well. So I believe firmly that if you really want to activate your superhuman power of that self-awareness, is to be able to embrace and happy for other people. And then in return, I'm telling you, the universe will give you back whatever you seek for, okay? By being able to truly happy for the other person. So as human beings, we are blessed with the ability to understand who we are, what we want to contribute, the life, the kind of life we want to have and to lead. It's up to us to choose to learn and grow from our mistakes, our tragedies, and our successes. There's the quote that sums up this whole self-awareness. It's a quote from Rumi. Yesterday, I was clever. I tried to change the world. Today, I am wise. So I'm going to change myself. I hope you enjoy my video. And if you like, don't forget to give me a thumb up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support. And if anything, any topic that you want me to cover in my next video, please comment below. Until then, I'll see you next week. Thank you.